He didn't come back, did he? He didn't come back, did he? Okay.
They don't open till 8 o'clock.
All right, we're actually waiting for the DA's office to open, so as soon as they open, I can give them a call, find out. Unfortunately, they don't open until 8 o'clock.
Okay. All right. Yeah, and I mean, all I was trying to show you, sir, was that here, you know, it states that once charges are dropped,
Yeah.
you know, any evidence related to that, you know, has to, and it actually says shall be returned immediately upon the determination of the district attorney or his designee that the patient is entitled to the protection contained.
Right.
For example, by decision not to prosecute or the dismissal of charges.
Yeah. And as you noticed, this is the court. It's not the DA's office.
Actually, the DA had to petition that in order to get that. So,
So we just have to get that from him and not from the court.
No, I understand that, but just according to the Constitution.
And then according to my detective, apparently he's talked to him and they are refiling charges. So I guess that's different.
Oh, okay, yeah, and I'm not really sure how Mr. Sullivan plans on doing that. I'm a legal medical marijuana patient, so, you know, I don't think that that's really something that he wants to open up a can of worms with that, because normal will be on that like nobody's business, you know.
Well, we get so much with that. It's such a convoluted thing that it's...
Oh, absolutely. But, I mean, the Constitution is clear. The Colorado State Constitution is clear, you know, that, you know, if my evidence isn't returned to me immediately upon the dismissal of the charges, you know, then obviously, you know, Park County is in direct violation of the Colorado State Constitution.
The weird part about that is it's allowed to have medical marijuana. You're just not allowed to be driving an automobile while under the influence.
Yeah, and absolutely.
Which is strange, you know.
Well, no, and that's the whole thing is, you know, as a medical marijuana patient, I use the same caution taking any other painkillers, prescription medication as I would, you know, marijuana. So therefore, you know, Officer Harperhead, you know, I think, you know, obviously he did just make an assumption right off the bat, you know, and once my blood results are back, you know, that will be very apparent that I was not under the influence of any drugs or alcohol.
But that takes 2 weeks, though.
Pardon me?
That takes 2 weeks, though, yeah.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. But you know, I'm not the least bit worried about that. Once we get that back, you know, that will absolutely, you know, be brought to the attention. You know, and not to mention, during the roadside stop, I informed, you know, the officer that there was no way I could pass roadside sobriety tests due to the fact that I had a stroke in November. I can't stand on one foot for the life of me. I mean, you know, and it...
Driving at all, then, probably.
Oh, no. I'm absolutely allowed allowed to drive by my doctors. Absolutely.
Oh, really? Okay.
My balance has nothing to do with my ability to drive.
Oh, okay.
I mean, do you honestly think that somebody's disability, their balance disability, has something to do with their ability to operate a vehicle?
It can, yeah. That's why there's like epilepsy and folks like that can't drive. I mean,
yeah, but your doctor determines that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well, give us a few minutes, wait for the DA's office.
All right, sounds good. Thanks so much. I appreciate it.